My name is Sarah Webster, and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer for Desktop Metal. For almost a decade, I've been promoting digital dentistry and how it's transforming lives. Today, I'm finally going to be a patient.
Every patient that comes in, Smoler Smiles, is searching for an answer. What type of shade is needed? What size and shape of the teeth will be needed? Do they get teeth the same day? What is it that allows these patients to feel comfortable traveling? Here at Smoler Smiles, we have a magnet that draws people in from outside our community, outside of our state. That magnet is our Desktop Health Einstein printers and top line Flexcera Smile Ultra Plus resin material that's printed in office.
At Smoler Smiles, we make same-day crowns all the time. Sarah came to us. She had a fall, a little stumble on the sidewalk, and she broke her tooth.
I called my dentist right away. He had me come in and basically created a composite tooth, but it really didn't look natural, and over time it started to turn yellow. Because I work in 3D printing, I knew that I really wanted to get a Flexcera crown.
Flexcera provides the most lifelike looking teeth because of the nano mix of the materials.
It's smooth, none of that chalky opaqueness. The Flexcera resins that we use have gone through so many different advances. It's incredible.
It's very strong, durable, and effective in long-term use within the patient's mouth.
Flexcera has been recently approved by the FDA as a long-term restoration.
Speed is everything for us here. So we went with the Einstein printer. A restoration on average with as many units I can put on the platform will take up to 35 minutes. Bite splints about the same time, 50 some minutes to print a denture base, and 20 minutes to print the actual denture teeth. With the Einstein, things are very accurate.
So one of the most important tools that we use is our intraoral scanner.
When we're scanning intraorally, we're picking up the tooth prep and the adjacent dentition. Then we take that format in STL and put it in exocad, and we can actually build it, and we can make all the changes in the software rather than in an analog form where you're using your hands. In the digital format, we can produce the crown within an hour.
One of the coolest things about this experience is that they were able to 3D print a whole bunch of different design options for me. And they could do that affordably without all of the expense of an analog procedure, and they didn't have to remake anything. All of the crowns were designed to fit right in my mouth.
We're able to color it, shade it exactly how she liked it. So people can show up in the morning and have teeth by lunchtime. It's amazing. The bright shine, the clean look, the natural appearance of the material, and the comfort. Patients love the way they feel in their mouth.
My Flexcera tooth feels so natural in my mouth, it's almost like it's not even there.
So patients are asking for this. Your staff, your team wants you to be up to date. Why go and do anything else? So hop on board the Desktop Health Freeway, and it'll take you to places you never thought possible.